How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going Super Saiyan on Dragon Block C. Not exactly, but I want to show you how to install the game and get started. I'll show you how to go and install the single player mode as well as the Dragon Block C Zero server from Jin Games. Some of you may be familiar with the mod. You can do all types of crazy Dragon Ball Z stuff, from Dragon Ball itself to Dragon Ball Z to Dragon Ball Super, even some Dragon Ball GT stuff. You can experience many transformations, shoot off your ki blasts,
Kamehame!
and everything you expect from the Dragon Ball universe. Anyway, I'm going to show you all the steps and how to install the mod pretty easily as I surf this flying Nimbus.
Alright, the first thing you want to do is jump onto Google, look up Dragon Block C, click the first link, it should be Jin Games. So go ahead and click that, scroll all the way down to downloads and installations, click that. Alright, so be sure to be selecting the 1.7.10 tab to select the correct version. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. There should be 3 files to download. If you want to play single player mode, these are the only 3 files you need, along with Forge, of course. So now if you're trying to play on the server, specifically the Dragon Block Zero server, scroll all the way back up. There should be a tab for Minecraft server list. Select the 0 one, yep, and then you get the server page. Be sure to copy and paste the IP address. We're going to want to use that later on. We'll just copy and paste that or save it somewhere, write it down. Alright, so scroll a little bit down. These 4 links provide us some mods we need to download to play on the server. These need to be the exact versions as stated on the website. So the first link will take us to the Dragon Block C files. These are similar to the ones I just showed you for single player, but they're going to take you to the ones that are correct for the server. So you'll notice that there's 5 files here. We don't need the HD skins to play on the server. Now, if you do need older versions, you can go ahead and scroll down to the old versions tab and I'll show you all the different versions. On the right side, you'll see which files we actually need. Click on the first one and this will give you an example of how you need to download it. Right click and copy link address and paste it in your web browser. I don't know, for some strange reason it's not working now. If it does work by clicking the download button, that's fantastic. Otherwise, you need to do this method. It'll start downloading. Now go back to the previous page, the previous tab, and go ahead and download the remaining 3 links left. Again, you do not need the HD skins mod. Now after you download the JRM, DBC, and family files, go back to the previous DBC servers tab. Alright, so now we download the non-Jin Games files. First one is custom NPC link. Go ahead and open that link. Yep. And from there, click the Files tab so you can get all the versions because we're going to need the specific version for 1.7.10. So scroll down, be sure to select the right version, which is 1.7.10D. There's other ones besides D, but you want the D one. Obviously, downloading the wrong version will not allow you to access this, so it's super important that you download the correct one. Now, go back to the Servers tab and download this Armorer's Workshop, or however you pronounce it. Open the link. And same business, you go to Files, look for the correct version, which should be 1.7.10. Again, not having the right version will not allow you to play on the server. Go ahead and right-click the download button and start the download. And that should be all for the mods we need for Dragon Block C and the server. Next, we need to download Forge for Minecraft, which will allow us to actually apply the mods in the game. So go ahead and Google Forge or Forge for Minecraft. Go ahead, same thing. You want to find the correct Forge version for 1.7.10. So you want to scroll down that left window over there. And when you find the correct version, just go ahead and click the install for the most recent version. You can select recommended or recent. It doesn't really matter for this older version. Alright, so now you want to configure Minecraft for 1.7.10. If you haven't already done so, go ahead, open up your Minecraft launcher, go to the installations tab, click new installation, and we're going to go about creating a new Minecraft configuration. Name whatever you want. Go ahead and select the version, which is 1.7.10. And then go ahead and click the create button. Go back, you want to click play to install it on your computer. Without doing this, you can't really run Forge, so you need to kind of install it first. Then you want to go ahead and copy Forge from the downloads folder and paste it on your desktop just to make it easier. Right click, go open with Java Launcher. You're going to need Java, so if you don't have Java, I'm assuming you do. If you don't have Java, I provided the link below. But anyway, go ahead and click the Java Launcher. It will go ahead and proceed you to the instructions to download Forge. It's pretty quick and easy. Now, after you've installed Forge, go ahead and open up the Minecraft Launcher once again. There should be a Forge installation at the bottom left corner, but if there is not for some strange reason, you go ahead and repeat the installations process configuration by going to Installation tab. Create a new installation. Name it whatever you need. And then go ahead into versions, go and look for 1.7.10 with Forge next to it. That might be all the way at the bottom. In my case, it is. So there it is, and go ahead and click that. Yep. And click create. And then you should have it down at the bottom left. It should say Forge or whatever you named it. So when you're ready to go, click play. Now this will create a mods folder in your Minecraft folder. So once you load up the game, go ahead and exit it once again. And next we find the Minecraft folder to modify the game. So if you are on Windows, press Windows key +R, then type $appdata \\minecraft, and that will get you to the Minecraft folder. Now if you're using Mac, go to the top menu bar, go to Go, select Library, then select Application Support, then click Minecraft. For both Windows and Mac, you'll still need to get into the mods folder, so find the mods folder within the Minecraft folder. Okay, we're going to go to your downloads folder. We'll copy and paste the 6 files you've downloaded from Jin Games specifically for the Dragon Block C 0 server, and we'll paste them in the mods folder as shown here. So there should be about 6 files. Launch Minecraft once again. Now be sure to select the Forge 1.7.10 installation configuration and then press play. Again, you want to run the Forge version for 1.7.10. Go ahead and click the mods folder, and once you open up the mods list, you'll see that there's the correct mods installed and everything should look correct. So if it does, go ahead and go back, and if you do want to play on the server, go ahead and click multiplayer. Right from the multiplayer, you want to add a server. Now for the server name, go ahead and name it whatever you want to name it, and then for the server address, go ahead and copy that, just the IP address that we saved from the previous step, and that should be dbc server 1710.jingames.net or something like that. It's written on the top right. So click done, then select the Dragon Block C server you just created and click join server. Easy as that. Now you should be in, and your game screen will not look like mine. This is a game that I'm kind of in the middle of. Progress a little bit. You will not be on King Kai's Planet when you start. You'll be in like a dungeon. But that's pretty much it. I will be creating a follow-up video to this that explains how to get started in Dragon Block C, whether you're on the server or single player, and it's going to explain how the interface looks like, the graphics, health bars, stamina bars, things like that, things that might be confusing, best practices of how you start off by using your stats and attributes, to where to go for single player, and just basic things. Now if you do have questions and I wasn't as clear as possible and there's something that is really confusing you don't know how to do, please do leave it in the comments below. If you did like the video, please do like the video, subscribe if you're interested in seeing more tutorials or Minecraft mods, texture packs, and shader videos like this. And like always, have a great one. Thanks for watching.